Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you one of my very original recipes that you will not find anywhere else on the internet. Veggie patties, or veggie cakes. You've seen in my past videos how I've taken traditional dishes and simplified the process into small, convenient steps. I've eliminated and reduced or substituted not so healthy ingredients in order to make it healthy and accessible without compromising the flavor and the taste. This is a recipe created by me. You'll not find this recipe, ingredient, and process anywhere. So, brace yourself. It's so easy, yet healthy and flavorful. For today's veggie cakes, we're going to use frozen mixed vegetables. You'll need juice from half a lemon, 2 tablespoons of fried onion, salt, and 1 tablespoon of spice mix. For the spice mix, I've taken garam masala, but you can substitute it with any seasoning mix you would like. You'll also need 2 slices of bread. For this, I have my homemade whole wheat bread, and the link is below if you'd like to see that. You'll need 1 12-ounce packet of frozen mixed vegetables, and 2 boiled potatoes, which are shredded. You'll also need 1/4 cup of a chopped green onion. I don't show it here, but I also need some oil to fry the patties. So pour the frozen vegetables into a food processor and run it through. I haven't grinded it too much, as you can see the veggies aren't a paste, but rather they still have small chunks in it. So empty the vegetables into a mixing bowl, and in the same food processor, put the breads and make crumbs out of it. Pour this into a mixing bowl too. Now add the rest of the ingredients to the bowl. Then mix thoroughly. So the reason that we add bread and potatoes to the recipe is that they act as binding agents. But the bread also acts as a sponge in order to absorb any water let out by the frozen vegetables. This way, when you grill or pan fry it, the water will evaporate and give it a crispy texture. Here, I'll show you my way on how to make a perfect shaped patty or cake. So line your palm with this saran wrap and place a chunk of the mixture onto it. Then, grab the edges of the wrap and make it like a ball and twist it. Press this firmly. Then, open the packet. And with a layer of plastic over it, flatten the ball like this. Use the other sides to smooth the edges and shape it. And there, you have a perfectly shaped patty. I'll show this process again, as it's a very important step that you'll never find anywhere else. I made all the patties using this easy, effective process. Now, it's time to grill or fry the patties. Here, heat a pan or a griddle. Pour a little oil and place the cakes on them. Keep it at medium-high heat and turn over after 2 minutes. Pour a little oil in each before turning. These veggie cakes freeze wonderfully. Since I made a lot today, I'm going to freeze some of them and serve a few right now. The frozen ones will come back live in an air fryer or a crisper. These turned out to be very crispy on the outside, but soft in the inside. This is the crispiness that I like and what I was referring to. So today, you saw a new recipe to make some healthy vegetable cakes and a new way to make patties, cakes, and a burger. If you like it, please subscribe so that I can bring more of these videos to you. Thank you and stay safe.